Okay, we continue the image effects. As we saw before, in a effects, for example, I right click on them, we can prepare our effect on any image that, and then you can set it on any image after that. You can add image effects. Here I am in the preset number 1. You can rename it any name that you want. In the preset number 1, I had in the previous lesson drawing image effects. In the image effect, I insert my logo here. It is set in a preset number 1, P1. You can add another preset P2, and in P2 is empty. Okay, we close that. Any time that we capture full screen or any capture, if we set here after capture task, we activated the image, we click on it to activate image effects after capture task. When you choose P1, anytime that you full screen capture, as we click on it, as you can see, our logo set here. Escape to exit. Okay, we work on, for example, this image, and then we prepare our effects. It can add to any image that you want. If we set it activated here. Okay, going back to the effects, another effects, add image effect, right click, maximize that. Okay, in a P2 preset, I keep this effect here. Going to the P2, we want to add another effect, manipulation. You can auto crop or crop. Click on a crop in the margin. You can click on this arrow here. You can change all, left, top, right. For example, top margin 10 pixel. You can crop it here. And anytime that you capture image, it automatically crop for you. If you set P2 in a after capture task. Manipulation, canvas, you can in this icon, when you click on this icon, you can set it here, or you can click and drag it here and put any number that you want. You can test your margin. For example, in the bottom margin, 10 pixels, margin mode, absolute size, you can in this number is the absolute size in pixel or in a percent, in a percentage. In the color is transparent, you can change it to, for example, red to this. To see this, can remove that. In a manipulation, in a flip, you can flip your image vertically or horizontally. False means no, or true means yes. You can flip it anywhere, in any direction. Force proportion, you can add the proportional width or heights. For example, 1 to 2. If you set the background to the visible color, for example, here, you can see that. You can change the proportional. Okay. Manipulation, resize. You can resize your image in any direction that you want, width and height. And you can rotate it with any angle that you want. For example, in this angle, upsize is true or false. Rotate right, please. And a rotation in the rounded corner, you can add a round corner, for example, 100, and you can see the round corner here. This is useful. I keep this in a P2. Manipulation, scale, you can change the scale, or you can skew in a horizontal. You can see. You can add a skew in a vertical or horizontal. Okay, that is manipulation effects.